Hi, my name is Connor Hurm and I am going to be demonstrating how to make power balls. I first learned how to make energy bites in my nutrition and wellness class. During the COVID-19 lockdown, I experimented with the ingredients we had at home and came up with this recipe. Now before you start cooking, you need to always wash your hands. You need to get your hands wet, then get soap. Make sure you scrub between the fingers back to your hands for at least 10 to 15 seconds. And then shut it off and dry your hands. And then we're ready to start making the power balls. Alright, so first you will need a 1 cup, half cup, and 1/4 cup measuring cups. And you will need a 1 tablespoon and 1/2 teaspoon measuring spoons to measure out the ingredients. Now, I like to use a food processor to mix the ingredients, but you can still make them even if you do not have one. You will need the following ingredients: old-fashioned rolled oats, mini chocolate chips, some dried cranberries, sunflower seeds, unsweetened shredded coconut flakes, some chia seeds for extra protein, some peanut butter, honey, and finally vanilla extract. You will need parchment paper cookie sheet and a storage container as well. To save time, I have pre-measured all the ingredients. First, place 2 cups of rolled oats in said mixer. Then you will place a 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips, and then a 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, then a 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, a 1/4 cup of the shredded coconut flakes, and the 1 tablespoon of the chia seeds in the food processor. And then you will blend the ingredients until they're all mixed up. So they are evenly dispersed. It's easier to mix once you add peanut butter and honey and vanilla. Once the dry ingredients are evenly mixed, then you will add 1 cup of peanut butter, which this is the sticky part of it. Make sure it gets all in there. Now that we have the peanut butter in there, next you will need the 1/2 cup of honey to put in there as well. Now, like I said, these are what makes it kind of sticky. And finally, you'll need the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Now, we're going to blend all of this together. But if you don't have a food processor, then you can still mix it manually. These treats are good either way if you have a mixer like this or even if you just hand mix it. Now, it will stick, so you gotta make sure you get it off from the sides and all that. Now just keep mixing it until it's gotten all together, or that you think it is all together now. May take a few tries, but and once all of them are blended together, you will mix these into 1-inch balls and roll them together like this. And then put them on your parchment paper. Now this is where you want to get your hands really sticky, or this is the sticky part, like I said earlier. Now I already made a batch, so this is what you do. Now there will be a lot more on this tray if you do it all. Well, I already made a batch here. And this is how they're supposed to turn out. You put them in there for 30 minutes so the mixture can stay together. And after refrigerating, you can enjoy them. So they taste really good. And any of these leftovers can stay in the fridge for about a week, and they can stay in the freezer for up to 3 months. These little snack treats are easy to make and are full of protein and fiber for you, with just the right amount of sweetness. They are perfect for a quick breakfast, snack after working out, or if you just want a healthy treat. And I hope you enjoyed my presentation on how to make power balls.